I'm gonna bring my lipstick. Ah, la, 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 la. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to do this very fresh, everyday, summery, colorful makeup look, and I have used only 4 eyeshadows. It is very easy to create in the morning that we are not completely awake. If you want to see more makeup tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for all my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. In the summer, I always like to use a little bit of color on my eyes, and for today's look I will use the Desert Dusk palette by Huda Beauty. For my highlighter I will use the Exposed Amazonian Clay 12-hour highlighter by Tarte, and that's because I don't have a similar shade on this palette, and I don't like the Desert Sand eyeshadow because it is matte. So I will apply a little bit of the exposed highlighter. Love it! With brush 221 Look Soft Crease by Zoeva, I am taking eyeshadow Eden and I apply it into my crease towards my brow bone. I use windshield wiper motions. I just go back and forth into my crease and then very lightly I go towards my brow bone. With brush 225 Luxe Eye Blender by Zoeva, I am taking eyeshadow Blazing and I apply it into my crease closer to my eyelid. And I try to blend the color closer into my eyelid and outwards just to make my eyes a little bit more uplifted. I apply a second layer of the color to make it more intense. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I am taking eyeshadow Cashmere and I apply it all over my eyelid with tapping motions. With brush 225 by Zoeva, I am taking eyeshadow Amber and I apply it only on the outer corner of my eyelid. This way I will add definition to my eyes and I will make my eye shape more visible. With a clean eyeshadow brush by Essence, I am taking eyeshadow Amber and I apply it in the outer lower lash line. With the previous eyeshadow brush by Essence, I am taking eyeshadow Cashmere and I apply it in the inner lower lash line. Ooh, that looks pretty! To make my eyeshadow on the eyelid a little bit more intense, I will take eyeshadow Cashmere with my little finger and I will just press it on the center of my eyelid. Oh, I will have fallout. I have a lot of product. Oh no! Press it, press it. Okay, and the eyeshadow becomes even more intense with this technique, and with felt eyeshadows that works always a little bit better. If you use your fingers, they are always more intense. So I will just blend a little bit the edges. With a pencil brush by Morphe, I am taking the same highlighter by Tarte in Exposed and I apply it into my inner corner. For mascara, I will use the Superhero Mascara by IT Cosmetics. If you want to see how I did my eyeliner today, I will link down below the eyeliner tutorial that I have done. To contour my face, I will use the Hoola bronzer by Benefit with my brush 109 by MAC. I start by applying on my cheekbones with circular motions. And this brush is very good for applying your bronzer, contouring, and it gives a very nice and diffused effect on the skin. I really like it. Also bring it a little bit towards my highest points of my cheeks that I'm going to apply blush, and a little bit on the forehead. And whatever is left on my brush, I just apply it on my jawline. I will also contour a little bit my nose. Whenever I don't have a lot of time, I use the same brush and I just blend it towards the sides of my nose and a little bit on the bottom of the nose. For blush, I will use a Coral Spectrum palette by Zoeva and I will take an Essence brush. I will take colors CR20 and CR40. When you apply your blush, just smile to find the highest points of your cheeks. And mine are here. For highlighter, I will take Exposed by Tarte. And I will apply it with my E40 brush by Sigma. Yeah, by Sigma. I will apply it on top of my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on my cupid's bow. Oops, I applied a little bit too much on my cheekbone. Okay, that highlighter looks gorgeous. With a big fluffy brush by Morphe, I will just blend everything with big circular motions. If you are watching my videos, you know that I always do that, so everything will look very blended and beautiful. For lips, where is my lipstick? Okay, just a sec. I'm gonna bring my lipstick. For the lipstick, I will use by Kiko Milano Creamy Lipstick in number 4. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you want me to do more colorful makeup looks, and also let me know in the comments below what is your favorite color, and also which colors do you like using on your eyes. So I don't usually use yellow eyeshadows and green eyeshadows on my eyes, and I can use blue eyeshadows, some specific shades that I have. I don't have that very blue electric neon colors, I don't have them, and because I don't like them. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!